ठीक है, और आपको मैं टाइम दूंगा सिर्फ 5 मिनट। कितने मिनट मिलेंगे बेटा? 5 मिनट। चलो थोड़ा भला कर दूं मैं आपका, थोड़ी कम कर दूं, क्वेश्चन एक कम कर देता हूं। 6 क्वेश्चन कर देता हूं, ठीक है। नाउ 6 मिनट्स के अंदर अंदर आपको रिप्लाई करना है आंसर्स टू, 5 मिनट्स के अंदर, सॉरी 5 मिनट्स, आंसर टू दीज 5 क्वेश्चंस। These questions may be wrong, there may be typing error, there may be anything. Your job is to answer all 6 questions in next 5 minutes, right? Is it clear? Manjot will let us know at 5 minutes, and after that 30 seconds you type your answers. आपको मेरे को privately भेजना है आंसर SOGO को। और आंसर कैसे, how you will be writing the answer? You will be writing the answer like A, B, B, D, C, A. No need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? It is understood that the answers are for these 6 questions. Is it fine with you? Yes. Right. You cannot skip any question. If you are not getting answer to any question, give your best tukka. Because Snap is all about attempting all the question in the speed. This is
minus marks bhi to hai. Minus marks.
Yes, Anurag Goel. Yes, ये minus is -1/4 beta.
Okay.
-1/4 means 0.25. If we go probability wise, this will be in our favor.
Okay.
Whenever there is 1/3 negative marking, that goes against us. So in CAT, we advise, it's like a test match. CAT is like a test match. Your class is tested.
Okay.
The Snap is like 2020. It doesn't matter from where runs are coming. As far as the board is sticking on, we are happy with that, right?
But sir, accuracy maintain नहीं हो पाता।
तुमने accuracy का क्या करना है भैया आसिफ अली?
अरे सर, accuracy नहीं होगा तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाता है सर कभी-कभी।
कोई problem नहीं है। CAT was a test which was where I say maintain accuracy. Please do selection of the question. Here I am saying, please don't do any selection. Do each and every question. आ रहा है तो भी ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर guess तो है ही, right? You will learn the art of guessing, right? Like there is a rule which I always talk about: prime number never dies.
Yes, sir.
You know that, Asif Ali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that rule is applicable. Out of 5, if you get, let us say, 1 question right, then what is wrong with that? Right? And next time, make sure you are attending class from mobile, from laptop only, not from mobile.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I am giving you 6 questions, 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, go. Mani, don't allow the latecomers.
Okay, sir.
Tell them they can join next class.
Sir, I have to allow Deep Shinde. Actually, he was not getting the link.
Okay. Then
Just
allow other
join.
guy also. And tell him that it is your last chance.
हाँ जी.
Manjot, let us know when time is up.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Hemant Bist. You should write timing also, मेरा बच्चा. हेमंत बिस्ट बच्चा टाइमिंग भी लिखोगे साथ में. रेवती इतना ज्यादा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट टाइप इन 33244, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will save your time. Very good. 3 minutes 40 seconds. उमेश बंसल, वेरी गुड. यश बंसल, क्या हो गया तुम्हें? वेरी गुड. एवरीवन आंसर. प्लीज डू आंसर एवरीवन. जिन्होंने अभी आंसर नहीं किया फटाफट आंसर कर दो भाई. पूरी एनर्जी के साथ, जोश के साथ, स्पीड के साथ आंसर आना चाहिए मेरे पास. You should write timing along with the answer, guys. आंसर के साथ टाइमिंग लिखेंगे. Ketan, your sixth answer is not here with me. वरना भैया ये चाय पानी पहले पी के रखा करो.
5 minutes over, sir.
5 minutes over. Pranav, your answers?
सर किए हैं सेंड आपको?
हाँ आगे. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. फिर ठीक है. आंसर भेजने के बाद चाय पी सकते हो. चलिए. ओके गाइस, फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट. इसमें भैया एक्स नहीं लिखना है मिस्टर केशव. यू हैव टू राइट एनी आंसर. नहीं है तो 1 1 1 1 1 लगा दो सब.
तो मेरे आंसर आ गए आपके पास?
कौन बोल रहे बेटा?
अनुराग सर.
नहीं अनुराग, आपने मुझे सेंड कर दिया. प्लीज
Okay.
सर को सेंड कीजिए. इज बाय यूजर नेम सोगो.
सर मैंने सोगो ही टाइप किया था.
ओके गाइस, तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा. दिस क्वेश्चन, इसकी पावर, इफ यू इंक्रीज द पावर ऑफ दिस टू y, this will become c. If you increase this power to z, this will again become a. So a raised to power x raised to power y raised to power z is equal to a. It means x, y, z is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. So here we have to see the unique solution. You know what is the property of a unique solution? The coefficient of x, right? A upon a minus b, isn't it?
Not equal to. Yes, sir.
Should not be equal to coefficients of y. Minus a plus b upon A. Is it clear,
Yes, sir.
everyone? So it becomes A square not equal to minus A square plus B square, right? Now if you bring it this place, so A square ratio B square becomes 1:2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So only when A raised square B square is not equal to 1:2. Now, अब आप देखेंगे बेटा, अगर मेरे if I have this question and I don't have time to solve, you know what is given to us? What is given to us?
Unique solution.
You know that unique solution is always not equal to?
A by A1 by A2.
No, that we know. This is when their condition is not equal.
Only one condition will be fulfilled.
Yeah, so only this condition will be fulfilled. So without even solving it, you can say this can be the answer. Are you understanding this?
Yeah.
अगर मेरे को बिना सॉल्व किए ये सॉल्व करना है बेटा, तो थर्ड विल बी द आंसर, राइट? You may be at the fag end of the examination, last 30 seconds left. You are confronted with this question. समझ नहीं आ रहा भैया क्या करूं? This is the answer. Are you getting? Same way, when you are confronted with this type of question, prefer one to be the answer. Right? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because if x, y, z is equal to 1, all are 1, 1, 1. So this will be very much true. Isn't it? A equal to B equal to C. Yes, no?
Yes,
Sir, 2 नहीं आया समझ.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So this will give you, on equal values, this will give you 3. So this will be confusing, more confusing. If we have a symmetry, then answer is bound to come near 1. Okay, next question. Sum of the digit subtracted from the digit divisible by 9.
Always divisible.
Two ways. One way is just assume take any number. Right?
Yes, sir.
Second way is whenever you have sum of the numbers, the relationship is always of 9 and 3. आप मेरा वीडियो नंबर 1 देखेंगे ना, नंबर सिस्टम का, उसमें मैंने बहुत डिटेल में ये समझाया हुआ है कि नंबर सिस्टम में डिविजिबिलिटी की प्रॉपर्टी क्यों है. क्योंकि आपको सब, यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 9.
Sum of digits always divisible.
Sum of digits always divisible by 9. What is divisibility rule of 3?
Sum should be divisible by 3.
3. You know why this 3 has the same rule as of 9?
The 3 is a
3 is factor of 9.
Yeah, 3 is a factor of 9. The rule originally of 9, it's being borrowed by 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Many people know that this is the rule, but they don't know why this is the rule. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Now, this says 10, 20. Can I see 5 and 12 here?
13 is
Yes, sir.
right now.
My answer must contain 13 answer.
सर ये नहीं आया समझ सर, आपने इतना फास्ट कैसे किया ये?
क्योंकि प्राइम नंबर
never dies.
Never dies.
प्राइम नंबर never dies. देखिए बेटा, this is 5, this is 12, isn't it?
Pythagorean triplet.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras triplet. So this will be definitely
13.
13. 13's multiple is this number only. Now you can draw it like this also.
So ये तो ऐसे बन जाता.
This is 5, this is 12, this is 13 into 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
So prime number never dies. Now the locus of the circle of center touching both the arms of an acute angle. So this is like this. If you will have centers of multiple circles, so this center will always be the bisector of the angle. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Many people must have wasted a lot of time on understanding this question. Locus आ गया, locus से डर जाते हैं. Locus means number of locations. Right? Loci is singular, whereas locus is plural. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it means there are infinite circles which are like this. What will be their center? What will be the locus of their center? their center will be nothing but
Bias.
okay.
Bas.
Negative number, we all know that this is going to be
Negative.
negative. So my answer key for these 6 questions is 3, 3, 2, 4, 4, and 4.
4.
3, 3, 2, 4, 4. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone with all 6 right under 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Do it like this. Punch. Show me the punch. Yeah. 1, 2. Arindam. Revati, very good. Anybody else? Anybody with the punch? Keep showing. Yeah. Rakshit Sharma, very good. Anybody else with the punch? Puneet, very good, Puneet. Himani, those who are without their videos on, you can put them with a warning in the waiting room, and then you can send them out of the class. Right? This is very clear. If you cannot interact, I cannot teach. Is it clear? So guys, now those who got 1 question wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, make sure you revise the concepts of that particular topic. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
You should have got all 5 right. 5 nahi to 4 right. But jo bhi galat hua, try to classify your mistake into 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? First mistake is, oh my God, yes, was it the case? I didn't knew the concept at all. Second, I knew the concept. I knew that sum of digit has something to do with the 9, but I was not surely clear with this. Right? Okay. A number, when it is subtracted from its reverse, is always
Divisible by 9.
Divisible by 11.
no. I am
9.
saying
11.
false. झूठ बोल रहा हूं मैं. It is true for 2-digit number. मैंने बोला था 2-digit number. It is true for a 2-digit number. May not be true for any other number, but 2-digit it is definitely true. Okay, 2-digit number, a number and its reverse added, it will be a multiple of 11. Right?
Yes.
3-digit number, when it is subtracted from its reverse, is always divisible by 99. 11 also,
99.
9 also, combined mein 99. Got it? Yes, no? Shall we move to the next questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
End of this show, end of this class, you should be able to come up with your weakness and strength. If you are getting all right, no need to worry about anything. Right? Focus on other section, other topic. But if you are getting 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, you need to, just note it down. This was the topic I got it wrong, which there are people who got all right. So you should have also got all right. So now I will give you just 5 questions and 5 minutes. Because question thode lambe hai. Questions are a bit lengthy. 5 minutes, 5 questions on your screen.
Yeah.
अनुराग गोयल अपना माइक ऑफ कीजिए. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ बैकग्राउंड नॉइज.
सॉरी सर.
Sir, 5 minutes over.
5 minutes up. Send your answers quickly. Next 30 seconds. अगले 30 seconds में आंसर भेज दीजिए मेरे को. 5 questions. फैजान, बहुत बढ़िया मेरा बच्चा फैजान. करण 5 मिनट लग गए. इशिता, ओके ओके.
Thirty seconds over.
30 seconds over. Okay, thank you very much. Now I will start discussing it. See guys, let's start from the last question. Last question. Can you see this is the answer? Hello everyone. Can you see this is the answer? Because this is the only even number. There are 6 numbers, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As Mr. Asrani says in Sholay, आधे इधर जाओ, आधे इधर जाओ, बाकी मेरे पीछे आओ. Right?
Yes.
Because वो अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं. Now there are 6 numbers, so half will go this side, half will go this side. There is no central number, and these are odd numbers, so the central number has to be an Even. So this is a 10-second question with this as the answer. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
in case of a watch, my minute hand, it covers half degree per minute. Do you know this? Because this watch covers 360 degree in 12 hours, in 720 minutes. Is it fine with you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second thing, my minute hand, no, this is our hand, sorry. This is our hand. My minute hand, it covers 6 degree in a minute. Is it fine? Are you aware about these two facts?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So my minute hand covers 5.5 degree extra as compared to our hand per minute. Is it fine with everyone? You should be knowing this by knowing the clocks and calendar thing. The recorded video for clocks and calendar shall be available to you. You can watch that and appear for the test. That is, I think, part of 3rd or 4th unit. Right, guys? I hope you all have appeared for test of 1 unit of LR. If not, please do watch 5 videos, 10 test. 5 videos, 10 test in this whole week. You have complete week to watch 5 videos by Dev sir and 10 test. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
you
sir.
find that you are able to understand it, you need not watch the video. You can directly watch, appear for the test, right? Watching video is not must, but attempting test is must before Friday 3:30 p.m. You should have appeared all the 10 tests. 5 are Chutku test, 5 are Longu test, right? Chutku test is just for warm up. Longu test is really to test, whether you are into this thing or not, right? But if you are getting very good score in the sectionals, you may skip that also. All depends on person to person. Okay, guys? Okay. So, हमें क्या समझ में आया बेटा? यहाँ से हमें ये समझ में आया 5.5 degree is equivalent to 5.5 degree extra is equal to
1 minute.
1 minute. The moment I know it is a question of minute hand and hour hand, I should be able to think of this concept. So what I will do is, I will say 6 o'clock, my angle is 180 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In 54 minutes, it will be 54 into 5.5, which can be written as 27 into 11, which is 297. Minus of this answer is this. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. 15 seconds per hour into 24, 6 minutes per day. Yes? We are talking Tuesday 10 a.m., Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 24 minutes at 10 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to check it at 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. means how many hours?
8 hours more.
8 hours. If per day is 2 minutes, then 8 hours is equal to be
2 minutes.
2 minutes, 32 minutes.
yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now my question is, if you got that this is 6 minutes per day, right? So this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer. This will only be the answer. Why? Because watch is fast, so it will not be this answer, right? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
As this is 6 minutes per day, so 24 minutes in 4 days, and in 5 days it has to be 30 minutes, right? So my answer has to be in between these two. right? The author can confuse you by giving 7 p.m. 7 p.m. will be 6 minute 26 minutes, maybe some seconds, right? So don't waste time on calculating the seconds, right? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer for 8th question?
35.
Oh, how you get 35?
Sum of 48, 39 and 44.
How much is that?
131.
131 minus 80.
Yes.
What is that?
51.
What is this 51?
Sir, that is
Extra,
the
sir.
extra, which is
Extra.
2 and 3 surplus.
Yes. So how much 2s are there?
57.
This plus this plus this. How much is that?
57.
57. Now,
The 6 is the surplus. I mean, the ones who are taking 2 as surplus. Difference between 51 and 57.
6 are the people who read 3 things.
All 3, yes, sir.
right? Because what this is saying is, it is not saying only. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is not saying only. So 6 are those who are reading all 3.
All 3.
Yeah. Now
51 minus 6 will be 2 people.
read exactly one magazine. So 51 minus 6. That is 45.
And that is मतलब सर वो दो रीड कर रहे हैं 51 minus 6.
Okay.
तो 80 minus
45. 80 minus 45 is equal to
35.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was a question which should have been avoided solving. Are you understanding?
सर समझ नहीं आया सर 8.
ये समझा देता हूं मैं आपको. This is a lengthy question. This is not a snap type question. If you get this type of question, do it either later at the end, right? Or you can just mark anything and move ahead, right? Now, how we'll do this question? Let me give you, the way it can be solved. Yeah. So can you see 3 concentric circles? Just draw. In actual examination, I'm not going to do that. Either I am doing it by addition, the way I have just mentioned, right? Or we are skipping this question. So this is total 100, right? Out of the 100, 20 are outside. So this is 48 and this is 39. This is 44. How much is this? Byte and PC. This is 17. And this is
18, sir.
PC and PC magazine 18. And this is 22.
22.
Now this you have to assume X, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. Now this becomes 17 minus X.
Okay.
Now you have to add it up and then you have to come out with the answer, right? So you will get X. So how much is this?
X comes 6.
No, you have to just,
वो ऊपर में 9
सर इसका फॉर्मूला होता है ना सर कुछ.
9 plus X.
I am coming to the formula also, but let us do this thing first.
So 48 वाले सर्कल में 9 plus X आ जाएगा.
9 plus X and this will be
सर 4 plus x
4 plus x,
वो वाला दूसरा भी 4 plus
4 plus x दोनों, ये भी 4 plus x.
So sum of all this should be 80. Sum of all this should be 80. This is 48. 48 plus this all.
26
48 plus 26 plus x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 6. So if x is 6, then this plus this becomes 35. Now we can do it like this. Your A union B union C is equal to A plus B plus C. Next.
Minus A intersection B.
A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A
plus A intersection
A intersection B intersection C. Now, but this formula will give you what? This will give you
all three are there.
all three है, जो कि अभी हमने निकाला है, right? So from all three you can say all. This is your 51 is the doubling ones, and from there you subtract, it will come 45 are the people who are with 2 values, right? So that way 35 will be the answer. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a question which should have been avoided in the real examination, or should be done at the last, because this will consume at least 1.5 minutes. Yeah.
सर जो आपने वो वाला मेथड है B+2C में वाले से क्यों नहीं हो रहा सर ये?
उससे वो आया ना, हमें सिंगल वाले चाहिए ना अभी तो. Exactly one.
सर उससे करके देखना सर B+2C की वैल्यू निकाल ली जैसे से भी आ जाएगा.
अरे नहीं यार, उसमें ये जो दिए हुए हैं ना, this is not 2's.
ओके सर.
This is actually, this is not exactly 2.
2 plus
3 वाले इंक्लूडेड है.
Including 3 also is.
चलो, this question: a right circular cone, right circular cylinder. Cone, cylinder,
Hemisphere.
have same radius and same height. तो ये 1/3 होगा. ये
Yes,
आंसर आ गया.
Answer.
I need not go for this your hemisphere. Are you understanding it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But people, they waste time on this part also. अगर ये cat होता, I should have done that. But this is snap, I will just do this much. Are you understanding it? I know, no, this is 1/3 pi r square h, and this is pi r square h. I also know this is 2/3 pi r square h, but here this thing has to be equal to this. और अगर कुछ इसने गड़बड़ कर दिया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. Right?
Yes, sir.
Here my height has to be equal to radius. Height has to be equal to radius. But if it is equal to diameter, then we have to see it in a different light. Anyhow, this is the answer. Okay. So, how many of you are going to show me punch? कितने लोग punch दिखाने वाले हैं? Revati again. Anybody else? Okay, Anindam, Purusharth, very good Purusharth. Abhishek Amar, very good. Akriti, what happened? Akriti, what happened?
सर एक गलत हो गया.
एक गलत हो गया. Don't worry. No worries. No worries. Vrinda Narang, how many right? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. सिद्धांत चालना.
Sir, 3 right, 2 wrong.
3 right, 2. Harshvardhan.
2, sir.
Aaron.
ये वो टॉपिक 5, sir.
5. Very good. Very good. You should switch on the video more often, right? You try. Okay, guys. Now, are you ready to move to the next questions? Right? Right. Good. Hmm. Four questions, 4 minutes. Quickly, 4 questions, 4 minutes.
Question number 13 is not visible, sir.
Data is not visible.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
मंजोत टाइम हुआ नहीं अभी?
10 seconds, sir.
हाँ 10 seconds. Okay.
Time up, sir.
Time up. 30 seconds to answer. Everyone quickly send your answers. Fatafat.
30 seconds over.
30 seconds up. Okay guys, now can we see here? क्या हम यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं? The first question is this is the question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But we should skip this question. This cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer. Answer will be either this or this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I take it approximately, this one circle is going to be how much? 100 pi?
Yes, sir.
One circle is 100 pi? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 314 centimeter, one circle. Total approximately 1000. Now if we take this extra area, okay, this can be, okay, 200 more, 300 more, let us say 1400, 1500 should be the answer, right? Now if you see this, this is 8 into 1.7. This comes out?
Yes, 1300 something.
How much is this?
Approximate 14.
1356 around, sir.
135, right? So plus 400, like this is 17 into this is 126, no?
1760 total.
136. So this is 1760. And this one becomes 800 plus 680, 1480.
1490.
Which one is more closer to my approximation?
One.
Answer. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? मैंने ये calculate नहीं किया है. If I have time, I would love to do that. But हमारे पास समय नहीं है भाई. हम आंखों में करेंगे ये नहीं हो सकता. This is the answer. Right? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another, if you want to go further, is this would be my width, right? Which will be 40. Isn't it? अरे ये 40 हो जाएगी width.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now my height is going to be 10 plus 10 plus something. So the height is going to be 20 plus something. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this has to be 800 plus something into 40. Bolo yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Called calculating without calculating, because this exam is an exam of speed. So I think first is the answer here. X square can be taken out, Y square can be taken out, Y and Z is left. So they will always be positive, this will be negative only. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this can be multiple of 2. Yes, wrong answer. What it should be?
Multiple of 4. Or multiple of 4.
Consecutive integers. You see consecutive integer, you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you take 5 digits, 5, what is your average?
3.
What is your sum? Average, the sum is 3 into 5? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ah,
Then
sir, yes.
if you take 4, it will be your 10. If you take 3, it will be your 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you take 3, then it will also give you even.
But वो first उस पे depend करेगा.
किस पे? Yes, very good. If it is 5, 6 and 7, फिर क्या होगा?
18.
18 is not even?
Even होगा सर.
फिर that's what we are saying.
सर 4, 5, 6 होगा तब नहीं होगा.
4, 5, 6 नहीं होगा.
नहीं 15 आएगा सर.
तो इसीलिए आंसर हैज टू बी दिस. बट अगर हमें इसको सिस्टमैटिकली करना, वी विल से n into n plus 1 divided by 2. n into n plus divided by 2 should be
Even.
Just a minute, beta.
Yes, sir.
Even. So n into n plus 1 should be a 4x. Yes? So one of these two number is going to be
Multiple of 4.
odd. So one number has to be an multiple of 4.
4x, sir, how? Sir, how 4x?
Because this is 2, this is even.
Ha. Okay.
We need sum to be even, no?
Okay.
Right? So this is how it can be done. The answer should be 4. बहुत सारे लोग इसका आंसर 2 लगा के आते हैं. चलो, 1 kg sand bin containing cement. Resultant mixture is 20 kg sand by weight. Okay. How much more sand will be? Okay. You have 20%, 80%. You need to add 100% to get 60% and 40%. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this should be your 10 and 40. And you should add 50 to this. Will that give you 60, 40?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 1 kg, you are adding 5 kg.
Yes, sir.
This was original sand, no?
Ah, sir. Yes.
So this is new sand.
Yes.
So 1 kg, you are adding 5 kg. No, there is some problem.
So the answer should be 5, I think. But there is no option containing 4.
Result mix is 20% by sand. So mix is 20%.
Sir, ये allegation से भी तो हो जाएगा? Allegation.
Yeah, we can do it by that way also.
20, 100, 60 लेंगे ना शायद.
So it will be 20, 100, 60, 40, 40, right?
1:1 आ रहा है sir.
1:1 में आ रहा है ना? But the initial mixture contain 1 kg sand, no? So which is 0.2% of this, which is 20% of this. Right? Okay, I got it. इसने थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन गलत फ्रेज किया है. He says in 5 kg you mix 1 kg. Right? He is not saying in 4 kg you mix 1 kg, so that resultant is 20%. If this is the question, then answer should be 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arey bhai, do you understand this is a 4:1 ratio originally?
Ah, sir. Yes.
1 kg sand, 4 kg cement.
Cement.
Right?
Yes,
now
sir.
we want cement to be 60%. We want it to be 3:2. Right? Or we want it to be 4:6.
4:6.
So we need to add 5 sand. So to 1 sand we are adding 5 sand.
ठीक है sir.
Now guys, these were the 15 questions on your quantitative aptitude. I am giving you now 5 questions on data sufficiency on your screen. Data sufficiency questions, what do you need to do? I hope you all know.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, anyone having any idea about data sufficiency?
सर बता दो सर एक बार.
Which of the following is sufficient to answer? और 2 ऑप्शन दिए रहेंगे.
जैसे LR में किए थे ना हमने कुछ.
हाँ सर.
Yeah. In data sufficiency question, you are actually not required to solve the question. Right? Guys?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, बेटा एक मिनट आ रहा है. I'm just coming back to you. हाँ बोलो आप.
सर हमने जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया वो गलत नहीं किया सर.
क्यों बेटा बोलो.
सर वो मोर सर हाउ मेनी केजीज मोर वी हैव टू ऐड सर.
अच्छा मोर लिखा हुआ है उसने.
हाँ जी सर.
बस फिर तो 4 ही आ गया आंसर.
नहीं सर हमारा 1 और 6 आ रहा था ना सर, तो हमें 5 ऐड करना होगा.
1 और 5 ही आ रहा है हमारा.
सर हमने 4 मार्क किया ना सर, तो 5.75 का ऑप्शन था सर उस पे. सर हमें शायद वो मार्क करना चाहिए था सर.
नहीं यार, हमें 5 किलो और डालना पड़ेगा. ये हो गया आंसर. और क्वेश्चन बताओ आप, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
5 किलो डालना पड़ेगा ना सर.
बिल्कुल
हमारे पास 1 kg था सर.
हाँ
पहले 1 kg था ना सर हमारे पास.
हाँ
तो हमें सर 5 kg और डालना पड़ेगा ना सर.
बिल्कुल सही है.
तो हमने सर 4 को मार्क किया है सर ऑप्शन सर. एक्चुअली
4 आंसर नहीं है, 5 शुड बी आंसर.
ठीक है सर, बस वही क्लैरिफाई।
That question has to be 5 should be the answer in that question. Right?
सर 14th भी एक्सप्लेन कर दो एक बार दोबारा।
14 फिर दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर दें। मन की आंखों से देखोगे या दिल की आंखों से देखोगे?
सर दिल की आंखों से।
दिल की। भैया जब कभी भी स्क्वायर होता है वो नेगेटिव होता है क्या?
नो सर।
बस ठीक हो गया नहीं?
सर पर अगर y इंटू z दोनों, अच्छा दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है सर, ओके।
Here comes your questions. 5 minutes, 5 questions. Read it, understand it, solve it. Sai Mahesh,
Yes,
please
sir.
switch off your video, audio.
Sound is not from my place, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyone whose audio is on, you can switch it off.
Sir, my chat is disabled. How can I answer
Yeah,
Yes,
this?
the chat is disabled.
I'll just enable the chat. You can send answers now.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Sai Mahesh.
इधर की ऑप्शन नहीं है। सर दोनों हो रहा है।
Let us know when time is up.
30 seconds left, sir.
Everyone quickly answer.
Time up, sir.
Time up, guys. Time up, time up, time up. So, if you can get the answer from one alone, not from the two, you will mark 1. If from 2, not from 1, then 2. If from both, like 1 plus 2, you require it together, but not alone. And the fourth one is cannot be answered from together. Actually, there has to be fifth one also, where says you can answer it from either 1 or 2 alone, right?
Yes,
There
sir.
has to be a fifth choice also. Usually there are 5 choices, right? So when you have only 4 choices, so usually what they do is they says mark 1 if you can get answer from A, not from B, B, not from A, right? So first and second club kar di, it's being clubbed many times. Second is you can get answer from either alone, right? Independently. So this may be defined, but here we are defined. How we have defined? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many philosophy books Damar has is in personal library? Amar has 4 times as many philosophy books as physical books. Okay. 334. Both, if you use both of these together, you will be able to get the answer. Because he has philosophy books is equal to 4 of physics books. And philosophy plus physics is equal to 36. From the 2 equations, 2 numbers, we can get the answer, right? Is this an integer? From here only we will get to know that is an integer. Because this has nothing. It is not asking whether it is a positive integer or negative integer. Integer means integer because -5 is also an integer. Got it, everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Here, your y is in terms of w and z is in terms of w. So both of the equations are required to get the answer. Otherwise, you cannot get the answer. Right? So you need both. So first answer should be both, which is 3 and 2, 3. X is an odd number. Actually, I can get it from both the thing. See, if x by 3 is an odd, it definitely means x is an odd. But if 3x is an odd, x can be fraction also. Right? Because 3 into 1 by 3 can be 1, which is still odd. So x is 1 by 3, which is neither even nor odd, because fractions cannot be classified in even and odd. So for this question, answer has to be
1.
1.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yep.
Suppose x can also be 6 possible values.
X can be?
X can also be 6 value.
No, then it will not be an odd. No, x by 3 will not be an odd.
Sir, if x is 7.
Both options are not giving exact answers. So
Yes, sir.
why can't it be 4, sir?
तो 97 होता तो
क्या होता?
सर 7 हो जाए 97 हो जाए कुछ भी
97 हो जाए तो उसे ये पूछा ना
So
is
he
x
is
an odd
asking,
integer
is
कब
x
होगा
odd? Is x an odd integer? This guy says x by 3 is an odd, right?
yes sir
So I need not care whether x is this or not. I just need to, this must be divisible. If he is saying x by 3 is odd, it means definitely x is a multiple of 3. So x is equal to 3 into odd.
Okay.
So odd into odd is always
Odd.
odd. I don't need this thing.
97 आ ही नहीं सकता इंटीजर बोल रहे हैं इसलिए
97 नहीं आ सकता ना बेटा. Let us say you are saying 7 by 3. This is not odd. This is a rational number. Right? This is not integer. बोलिए. Next question. FMCG contains coconut oil, oleic perfume. They how much present in 500 ml bottle? The content of coconut is equal to the content of oleic acid. Content of, okay. Sufficiency component contains coconut oil, oleic acid, and perfume. The content of oil present in 500 ml over. Okay. Content of, okay. By content, the mix is 1/6 perfume and 5/2 oleic acid. So only this is required. Right? This is not required, because if these two are there, then third will automatically we can get it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the answer for this will be 2. So 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay guys, we are done with the class number 1. मैंने आपका जो ग्रुप है वो ओपन कर दिया है. You have to just write, क्या लिखना है सुन लीजिए ध्यान से. You have to write your name, जो भी आपका नाम है, प्रांशु है, श्रीवांशु है, हिमंत वंसल है, ऋषभ है, right? And then name followed by your ID, whatever is your ID, S046, followed by today's date. Today's date is 112. Date is 112/1/1, or maybe 12 you can skip. You can just write 1/1, then your score. Okay, I am repeating it. For example, Pranshu S046 1/1 and then your score. Right?
Score किसमें वाला?
हाँ जी. Today, abhi out of the 20 questions that you were given, how many you could attempt right?
Okay.
Right? Put it in your chat box, in your WhatsApp group, right? In this specific format. The group is open for you to text. It will be closed at 5 o'clock and I will meet you again at 5 o'clock again. Till then you can take the break.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sharp at 4:59 I will resume the class.
Okay, sir.
सर
जी बेटा.
सर दोबारा से मैंने नया मीटिंग लिंक बनाया हुआ है, दोबारा से ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा सबको.
We'll join in the new meeting. I am leaving.
Everyone kindly join through that meeting link. ठीक है? I put it. मैंने डाल दिया मैंने ग्रुप में.
Recording मैम होगी